Hello everyone, Chris here from Profit Squirrel. How are you all doing? Really well, I hope. How is your match betting going? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing about how you're getting on, what things you're finding exciting or challenging at the moment. In this video, what I want to do is bring your attention to the fact that within the next few days, it's starting tomorrow, it's a festival in Goodwood, a big horse racing festival. It's the Qatar Goodwood Festival, also known as Glorious Goodwood. And essentially what it is 5 days of horse racing events. Now, these events are always really great for people that are into match betting because there are a huge amount of opportunities to make extra profits. There's going to be extra good offers on from many different bookmakers, and we're going to bring all of those to you at Profit Squirrel. With any major horse racing event such as Cheltenham, the Grand National, there is a lot of opportunity to make profits because there are a lot more offers out there, and also arbing opportunities potentially at bookmakers as well. If you don't know what arbing is and you don't know much about that, check out the links below this video. I'm going to link to anything I mention here, and the arbing video is one of them. There's often really good opportunities to do that, sometimes as you complete the offers as well. So what should you look out for this week? Well, firstly, if you haven't done any horse racing match betting offers before, today and tomorrow they're a great time to get started, get into them, get familiar with it, and then there are still going to be 4 days left for you to actually take advantage of your newfound knowledge to actually complete horse racing match betting offers. If you're already familiar with horse racing offers, then these are going to look similar to you as well. Essentially, you're going to be having the extra place offers, you're going to be having the horse racing refunds, those sorts of offers, and they're going to be things like free bet if your chosen horse wins, or free bet if they come second, or sort of some other place as well. That's probably what it's going to be. Now, with these sorts of festivals, remember that you can back multiple horses if you use different bookmakers. Again, I would stress don't back more than probably 2 to 3 horses per race per bookmaker. You don't want to have a bookmaker where you just back all of the horses in a single race. That's going to look suspicious and probably get your account gubbed, aka limited. As I mentioned, I'm recording this the day before the festival, so looking in the Profit Squirrel daily offers section, there isn't actually that much that has been announced yet. I suspect later on today, this evening, and going into tomorrow morning, there's going to be more specific, Goodwood specific offers rather, coming through, and those are going to be over here. But what I would expect you to see is the classic Bet365 offer, the £50 offer. Now that often comes up on featured races, and normally I've suggested before to look at this offer carefully and think about whether you're going to do it during the week. But at a big festival like this Goodwood Festival, then that's absolutely fine to be doing that Bet365 offer. Just keep your stakes in line with what is normal for you at Bet365. Don't suddenly start betting £50 a race if you normally bet £10. Stick to what is kind of usual for you. But you can see for today, I mean, there's just a couple of races eligible, but going on to tomorrow, to the start of Goodwood, there's going to be a lot more races, probably every single race actually at Goodwood that is eligible for that offer. So check that one out, absolutely. Probably as well, we're going to see Betfair Sportsbook doing some offers. They often do a £25 free bet if your horse wins, something like that. We've seen them do that at the last few horse racing festivals. That hasn't been announced yet, I don't believe, but when it is, we are going to get that to you and get you the specific details. That is often a good one to do. As always, remember, when you're doing offers in the Betfair Sportsbook, do not lay those offers in the Betfair exchange. Use another exchange, use Matchbook, use Smarkets, something like that. I would imagine that you'll probably see some good offers from Tote Sport, Coral, and probably Ladbrokes as well. Those brands are quite known for getting involved with horse racing and doing specific offers for those events. And remember, there's not just going to be free bets, but there is also going to be price boosts as well. So make sure you know how to do price boosts. Check out the price boost video. I'll link to that below as well, because that is another fantastic opportunity to make a little bit of extra profit. Ladbrokes are really good for price boosts. William William Hill are really good for price boosts, and occasionally some of the other bookmakers come through with some good options as well. So just keep an eye out for that. So the great news about horse racing offers when you're match betting is that really you actually don't really care which horse wins. You're really just looking for a specific outcome in order to make profits. However, there are some offers where you may be looking to back a winner, or you may be looking to back a horse that will come into second place, something like that. And in those sorts of offers, there's a few things you can look up. You know, I'm definitely not an expert in horse racing, but I do complete the match betting offers that are out there. But if you're interested in trying to actually figure out which horse is going to win or which one's likely to come second, there's a few things you can look into. You know, you can look at the Racing Post, you can look at these sort of publications. Sky Sports have got a good horse racing section, and you know, check out things like the odds. And, you know, check out things like the odds, the other horses in the field, the jockey, maybe the trainer. You know, there's stuff like that. You can obviously get really, really into horse racing stats and information and sort of stuff like that. You can listen to experts talk about where they think certain horses are going to place or how they're going to do. But sort of at the end of the day as well, nobody knows 100%. No one knows for certain what is going to happen. So what I would say is just always go with the expected value in these offers, and these offers are going to have really good positive expected value. So I wouldn't worry too much about predicting which horse is going to do what. You know, that is not really the idea with match betting. As I said, it's about completing the offers, minimizing the qualifying losses, and then seeing which events trigger the free bet for you. But if you do want to get a little bit more into horse racing and learn a bit more about it, then those areas are ones for you to check out. Alright, so what do you do to get started? Well, firstly, I'd head on over to the Daily Offers Profit Squirrel section, try and complete a few horse racing offers before everything kicks off tomorrow. Check out my video on extra place offers, check out my video on arbing and price boost, they're all below, I'm going to link to them. I'm also going to have a video coming out very, very soon on completing horse racing refunds. But we do have a written guide for that at the moment in the Profit Squirrel members area. Make sure you have your account set up with these bookmakers, you know, Bet365, 10Bet, William Hill, Tote Sport, Coral, Ladbrokes, you know, all of those. And also I'd say make sure you've completed the welcome offers at those bookmakers as well. If you have any questions on this or anything at all to do with horse racing or match betting or the Goodwood Festival, let me know in the comments below. I think it's going to be a really great event. It's not uncommon for us to hear of people making several £100s, sometimes up to £600-700 in the week of these horse racing events. People always do well at Cheltenham, at the Grand National Week, and also at this Goodwood Festival. It's a great one every year. Please do get involved. I think you're going to do well if you do. Again, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all in another video really, really soon. Hit that like button if you've enjoyed this video, if it's been helpful to you. And of course, make sure you subscribe to Profit Squirrel so you don't miss out on the latest in match betting. Enjoy the festival, and I'll see you all really, really soon.